So, plan is to plug big or little?
Probably both.
We're looking for both.
They have rubber plugs here usually. Excuse me, sir. Sorry, thank you.
I'm feeling good about this one. This is 1 3/4.
Put the pressure washer inside the hole.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
Hi, people.
Okay, what do you
I'm not gonna push you back. I'm grabbing stuff.
sure they can put you to work?
Ugh. Get a job, Paulo.
Alright, let's go. Shut up. No!
Nobody claimed we knew what we were doing when we went into this. It's not how physics works. However, hydrodynamics, obviously not mine or Bekah's strong suits.
What are we doing now?
I don't even know. So we can't get it close
Too long,
enough, right?
so we need to shave off some of this
So
grip.
you mean bitch guards?
Where'd it go? Oh. You think it's hot? I bet it's hot. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, that's so hot.
All right, it's super hot. So Bekah and I are gonna take a quick break. We're run through the dinosaur sprinkler.
I thought it was. Oh,
This is the first time Buddy's been happy all day. Thanks, mi amigo.
Okay, so Travis, what do you have in there now?
That's your broken shifter that you broke at Emma Long with a turnbuckle that goes down to it. It's hilarious. And I don't know, it may or may not work.
All right.
So it didn't go perfect.
I mean, it didn't go perfect, but it didn't suck. I'm really happy. For not knowing what to expect, this outcome is not disappointing. Like, I can tell a difference.
That's not dense, that's texture.
I continuously add character to my pipe, and it's fine. It's totally fine. I love it. Jeez. Follow, Kavita Punk.
And now it's P. Terry's time.
Futures! Sam, I wish you were here!